So did you happen to see yesterday's video? It was on resistors. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am, I did see.
yeah, so some basic numericals may come for resistors. Like if the color code is given, your question paper is definitely in black and white. But then a resistor can be given and the colors can be mentioned below. So you have to identify what is the value of a resistor. I think I had given three color coding for homework, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, ma'am.
I had given three color coding. Laksh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So three color coding resistors were given for homework. Can you just put it in the chat box, the color coding, so that we can discuss the values.
Yes,
The
ma'am, I'm
chart,
typing.
for that matter, chart, I will tell you a shortcut how to remember that. Okay, so let me open that. How to remember the colors, because the chart is not going to be given. I'll show you that. I hope you remember what I am talking about. I'm talking about the chart resistors color coding chart, where पहले दो color के bands का हम digit वैसे के वैसे लिखते हैं. Third color band is for multiplier. Fourth one is for the tolerance. Okay, just give me a minute. Yeah, so these are the types of resistors, and I was saying, if you check the Fadke publication, you will see that every type of resistor, they've at least taken a full grown one page for the explanation of every resistor, and this is the case of every component. Very nicely they have explained. But how to study, this is one question I get every time. How to study about how, if I ask a question of explain wire wound type of resistor, how do I write? So please don't mug up. You understand the concept, and you can, I'm sure you can frame sentences and write in points. Okay, so wire wound resistor, you have a core. Okay, you have a core, and then it can be I'll show you the picture also. It has a core, and then there is a conductor. Okay, a resistive material that is wound on top of it. As simple as that. Now, why is this known as a fixed resistor? Because you can see the loops 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 loops here. This is fixed. You cannot, this is not variable कि मैं इसको ऐसे दबा दूं और 2-3 wounds बनाऊं. It's not like that. It is fixed, and it is the number of wounds is fixed on it, and therefore the resistivity remains constant. You cannot change the resistivity because the conducting element is not changing. Okay, so hence it is known as a wire wound resistor. As simple as that. Do not run around the bush. You draw the diagram. I don't think it's very difficult. You just draw a core and the wire around it. Okay, and then you explain in points. I think that's more than enough. Fine. So you have to, I think you'll have to underline points which, while reading the chapter, you will understand, okay, this I can frame this sentence according to a definition. So you just underline that and study that much only. Fine. So this is what we did yesterday. Today, actually, we're supposed to do capacitance. I'm just going through the homework questions and then we'll start. So this is what I was trying to say. Okay, you have a metal core and then you have the wire woundings around it. So try to frame the definition or try to frame the explanation point-wise in your own words. That's fine. If you want to use the textbook language, that is also fine. It's up to you, but I'm just simplifying things for you. Fine. So this is what I'm talking about, the carbon resistor, which is widely used, for academic purpose. Even if you take up engineering in future, all 4 years, this is your best friend. If you take electronics branch, if you take electronics or ETC, even EC for that matter, we have subjects of electronics where you have to actually make circuits. Fine, and there you will meet such resistors. Then nobody is going to tell you iska value kaise find out karna hai वगैरह in detail. You should know now. Yeah, in the first year and all they explain, but then this color coding, it's an advantage in learning it now in class 11. Keep it in mind. Okay. I'll just give you, I was talking about this list. ऐसा एक resistor दिया होगा, I was just telling before that your question paper is black and white, right? So if I want to give you a question of this color coding, ki this is the resistor, depending on the color code, find its value. Is it 10 kilo ohm? Is it 5 kilo ohm? Is it 2 kilo ohm? Is it 2.5 kilo ohm? Is it 100 ohms? Whatever it is. I will not be able to give a color printout, right? So I may give a resistor and write the color bands below. Okay, starting from the left to the right. So you have to assume that it is this order. Follow my cursor. You have to assume that this is this order. So this will be the first one. This will be the first one. This band will be the second one. This band will be the third one, and this band will be the fourth one. If at all there is a fourth band, it will come over here. Okay, so then this will be the fourth band, and this will be the fifth band. Okay, so the order will also be given like this only. It will be red, brown. Homework में भी मैंने जो दिया था वही वैसे ही order में है. Last band golden और silver वगैरह है. ठीक है? So ये जो है this list ये तो जानना बहुत जरूरी है ना? So this you have to learn. There is no way out. Okay, just give me a sec. Let me just push this up. Gray के नीचे का white दब गया है. Gray के नीचे white है and the number is 9. Okay, I'll just push that up. Okay, now is the table visible? Now I think it is visible. Fine. So this color listing and the number, this table should be by heart. Now how do I study? Sorry. Excuse me. How do I remember the color codes? So you can have a small sentence. You just have to remember that. Okay. Now you have to remember the first letters. I'm taking all the first letters of this list. Okay. So how can I make a sentence? B.B. Roy, great big vase, had a great big vase, glowing white. Okay. What did I say? B.B. Roy. I hope you're understanding that I'm taking just the first alphabets. Okay. Just taking the first alphabets. B.B. Roy had a great blue vase glowing white. लिख लिया? You just have to remember this sentence. Had a, ये दो मैंने extra add किया है. वो नहीं आपने वो sentence में बोला तो भी चलेगा. And wherever you go, you keep saying this sentence. Even after this class, you keep saying this sentence. B.B. Roy had a great blue vase glowing white. B.B. Roy had a great blue vase glowing white. B.B. Roy had a great blue vase glowing white. You keep saying this. This my teacher had taught me when I was in first year engineering. So if I had to remember this past so many years, that means it is fixed in my subconscious mind. No, we used to tease each other also using this. So keep saying this in your mind. And then you, whenever you get your question paper, behind the question paper or on the last side of your answer sheet, first you write this down because एक हाथ question तो 100% इस पे आना ही है. ये बहुत favorite question है. ये हर साल आता है. ठीक है? तो ये question आना ही है. Find the value of the resistor. तो you make the chart. पीछे chart बना के ही रख लो. B.B. Roy, great blue, great big vase, glowing white. सब colors आ गए. ठीक है? अब ये B.B. Roy में B.B. का याद रखना. B.B. पहला black आता फिर brown आता. ठीक है? बाकी तो आपको पता ही है. B.B. Roy, R orange, sorry, R red, फिर O orange, Y yellow, glowing great blue vase. तो green, blue, violet, gray, gray and white. ठीक है? तो वो लिख लेना and you start from zero. Zero से start करना. Zero से start करके you go on increasing. तो ये table पहले ही draw करके रख देना last page पे. Fine. Then you can do anything ना. पहले मतलब पूरा color band का पूरा list आ गया आपके पास. Fine. तो उसमें से you get at least an idea of the first two bands. जो color है वो digit वैसे के वैसे लिखना है. Fine. Now coming to the third band, that is a multiplier band. Okay. Now इसमें blue तक is same. Okay. B.B. Roy, great big तक ठीक है. ठीक है. उसके बाद you just add silver and gold. Vase नहीं है, glowing white नहीं है, just silver and gold. So B.B. Roy, great big silver gold. ऐसा होगा इसका सेंटेंस होगा बीबी रॉय ग्रेट ब्लू सिल्वर गोल्ड। में कोई नए वर्ड्स मतलब नया कुछ ऐड नहीं कर रही, सिल्वर गोल्ड ही लिखना है आपको। सो दीज टू यू जस्ट नोट इट डाउन, और यहाँ पे क्या करोगे, पहले 1 लिखोगे, फिर जीरोस इंक्रीज करते जाओगे ब्लू तक, ठीक है। सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड के लिए 0.001, 01 एंड 0.1, दिस यू विल हैव टू लर्न, देयर इज नो वे आउट। एंड एज यू गो ऑन सॉल्विंग, खुद भी आप कॉम्बिनेशंस कर सकते हो, कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस खुद बना के कीप सॉल्विंग इट, तो वो हो जाता है आपका, ठीक है। आई डोंट थिंक यू नीड एनीथिंग टू रिमेंबर दिस, इट्स जस्ट सिल्वर गोल्ड एंड ब्राउन। 10 5 1 percentage of tolerance. Fine. I had given 3 homework related to that. It's in the chat. Let me just see the chat. Chalo. Let's start with the first one. And did you try to solve this? Dhruv and
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So red, violet, yellow, silver. Chalo. I'll solve with you all. Red, violet, yellow, silver. Look at the chart. पहला है रेड, रेड का क्या नंबर है, रेड का क्या नंबर है देखो, इट्स 2। नेक्स्ट वायलेट, वायलेट का क्या नंबर है 7 इनटू मल्टीप्लायर, मल्टीप्लायर का क्या नंबर है, सो यू गो टू द मल्टीप्लायर का दिस थिंग, ओके। येलो, येलो में क्या है 10^2, कितने जीरोस है येलो में, देखो येलो में कितने जीरोस है 1 2 3 4, 10^4, ओके। और टॉलरेंस कितना है सिल्वर, दैट इज ±10%, ओके। अब 10^4 का कोई शॉर्टकट है क्या, या फिर इज देयर एनी नॉमेनक्लेचर फॉर 10^4? नो, बट आई हैव अ नॉमेनक्लेचर फॉर व्हाट इज द नियरेस्ट नंबर 3। 4 का नियरेस्ट नंबर कौन सा है 3, सो आई कैन कन्वर्ट इट इनटू 10^3, तो के में आ जाएगा, किलो में आ जाएगा, ठीक है। सो इफ आई गिव 1 0 ओवर हियर, इसको मैंने 1 दान कर दिया, तो ये कम हो जाएगा, मानते हो मेरी बात? यस, मैंने 1 0 हटा दिया, तो वो कम हो जाएगा ±10%. Now, do I have any nomenclature for 10^3? First chapter we did. 10^3 का क्या nomenclature है? What do we call 10^3?
Kilo.
Kilo. So it is 270 kilo ±10% ohm. This is the value. Okay, hardly 3 steps and you get full marks if your answer is right. This is do or die. You get it, you get full marks or you get 0, because there is no कुछ सवाल ही नहीं है ना, आपका आंसर इधर गलत होगा या राइट होगा, इस दोनों के बीच का कोई स्टेट है ही नहीं इसमें। फाइन, चलो नेक्स्ट वन। Laksh, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. I'm just going to do 2, okay? Let's just randomly take the third one. Okay, let's take the last one. Last one देखते हैं, ये वाला. Okay, I've just highlighted it. Gray, white, orange, brown. चलो gray का नंबर बताओ मुझे. Gray is 8. I've randomly taken the numbers. हाँ, it may not be that वो color, वो value का resistor market में available है क्या, ऐसा देख के मैंने नहीं दिया, मैंने randomly colors डाले हैं, so don't worry. White, what is the number? White 9 into what is the multiplier? Orange. Orange का क्या number है? ये देखो, for those who are watching the video, see orange, what is the number for orange is 1000. 1000 को मैं कितने zeros है 1000 में 3, so I can write 10^3, okay. And the tolerance is brown, so it is ±1%. Is there any nomenclature for 10^3? Yes, 89k ±1%. Oh, so this is the value. Okay, so this is the value. One such question is definitely going to come for in your exams, because this is asked every year. Fine. So that was all about resistors. Now we are going to the next component, that is capacitor. Fine. You all must have heard of this word capacitor. Yes, capacitance के बारे में पता है आपको? So the next component we are going to do today is capacitor. Okay, you must have heard of capacitor somewhere. Yes, no? Have you heard of capacitance somewhere before? Capacitor. Okay, Now this is again a very all this sentence I'm going to say again and again for every component. Every component, all passive components or active components are very important in when you're making a circuit or an electronic device. Okay, everything matters. It's like your 5 fingers. Are they same? No, they are not same, right? So if this is small, the thumb is a little it's not they're not same, right? Today. So capacitor, fine. Now capacitor, every component like I said is important. It's like your 5 fingers. ये पांचों सेम है क्या? नहीं. लेकिन उसमें से मैं बोल दूं कि चलो लिटिल फिंगर का कोई काम नहीं है तो उसको काट के फेंक दूं, ऐसा नहीं रहता है. Every finger is important in its own way. Same thing. Now what does a capacitor do? Right? A capacitor, if you see, its symbol is like this. By the way, resistor का क्या symbol है? पहला जो कंपोनेंट हमने देखा वो आपको पता है, the symbol is like that. Fine. Resistor offers resistance. Fine. Capacitor क्या करता है? Capacitor is basically a charge holding component. Okay, it holds charge. These are two conducting plates. Make sure both the conducting plates when you draw the symbol have to be of the same length. Otherwise वो बैटरी वो सेल बन जाएगा. अगर मैंने एक लंबा बना दिया तो क्या बन गया? ये कहीं देखा ये सिंबल? Circuit diagrams में बनाते हो ना ये symbol. What is this? This is a cell. Fine. So you have to make sure that both the parallel lines are, number one, parallel to each other. Number two, they are of the same length. Okay. They are conducting plates. And what is there inside this conducting plates? There is an insulator. Okay. An insulator is filled inside this. And to be more precise, there's a dielectric constant. Okay. An insulator is filled inside these two conducting plates. And what is the use of a capacitor? It will hold charge. Fine. You know what one charge is, right? It's an imaginary concept, but a charge is something which, if I say, it's magnitude, right? जो अब मैं बोल रही हूँ इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो हो रहा है, नेगेटिव चार्ज है, तो ये चार्ज क्या है? ये उसका मैग्नीट्यूड है, उसका वैल्यू है ना? So this will hold charge. Fine. Now for example, आपको चार्जिंग करना है, कोई डिवाइस का आपको चार्जिंग करना है. फाइन. तो आप चार्जर लगाते हो, बट व्हाट इज द होल्डिंग दैट चार्ज अक्रॉस योर डिवाइस? आपके डिवाइस में आप फुल चार्ज हो गया आपका मोबाइल फोन, ठीक है? वो मोबाइल फोन चार्ज करने के बाद, चार्जर निकालने के बाद तुरंत जुप करके जीरो हो जाता है क्या चार्ज आपके फोन का? चार्जर से निकालने के बाद नहीं. It holds charge, right? Your device holds charge for maybe how many hours? Maybe 6. My phone holds charge for approximately 12 hours. Okay. So depending on phone to phone badlega. If you've got a good iPhone, it'll maybe your charge may retain for a longer time. So वो charge retain कौन कर रहा है? कहाँ कर रहा है? So imagine it like that. So capacitor is one such component which can hold the charge. Have you understood? It is measured in farads. What is the unit of capacitor? Farad. Okay. And it is denoted like this. But generally what जो हमारे पास capacitors है, these are very small capacitors. Please, whenever you are going to the electronics lab, tell sir to show you all these things. Okay, I will show you the pictures, don't worry. But when you get to touch it, these are all very small components. पिक्चर में ऐसे लगता है कि अरे बाप रे बहुत बड़े बड़े चीज है, बट एक्चुअली बहुत छोटा है, वो छोटा सा चीज है वो. फाइन. एंड दीज कैपेसिटर्स कम इन माइक्रो एंड पिकोफैरेड्स. इतने छोटे वैल्यू में आता है. समझ में आया? तो बहुत छोटा चार्ज ही वो होल्ड करेगा. बड़े कैपेसिटर्स बड़ा चार्ज होल्ड करेगा. क्लियर है क्या बात? अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज कैपेसिटेंस? सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द चार्ज एंड ऑल, देयर आर सम there are few formulae dependent on that. Okay. Capacitance of any capacitor, okay, depends on Q, the charge, and the voltage drop or the potential difference across that particular capacitor. This formula you have to remember, because in numericals, two components will be given and one will not be given. So we can take one such numerical. If I could just dictate one. Okay, write down. How much charge? I hope you all are writing it down. I'll just incorporate it over here also in the, we don't have much time. Okay, I'll share my screen and then we will write together. Okay. Okay, here is the question. Please write with me. How much charge is stored in a 10 microfarad capacitor with 30 volts across it? Is this solvable? Definitely yes. So as usual, I have told you how to solve the numerical. How do we solve it? Number one, given. What is given? How much charge is stored? Charge का क्या है symbol? Charge का symbol है Q. Fine. Stored in a 10 microfarad capacitor. मतलब capacitor का value दिया है, right? I just now told you that capacitor is measured in farads. Fine. ये microfarad है. तो कैसे लिखते हैं micro को? Like this. ठीक है? Microfarad. With 30 volt across this. तो volt भी दिया है. V is equal to how much? 30 volts. To find, please use these steps and you will continue using following these steps in class 12 also. To find charge, how much charge पूछा है ना? The Q is equal to how much? Third point, solution. What is the formula? C is equal to Q by V. Substitute 10 micro. Micro मतलब क्या होता है? Micro मतलब क्या होता है? Quickly बताओ मुझे. How much is micro? 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, is equal to Q upon 30. It's easy. Just cross multiply. Yes. Fair enough. You get Q is equal to, I'm just taking this here, I'm just going to multiply 300 into 10